Hey everybody, it's Tim again from our Plan No Manor project, and we're about 75% done with the outside where all the windows have been installed, the trim and the cedar shakes on the outside and the roof as well. We decided to go with the Marvin series because they can do a custom color. So all of these houses are custom. We did a custom blue on this house, and the other house we did a custom green color, and the middle house we're doing the stone white, the Marvin stone white. We also decided to go with, from Riverhead, the Alaskan yellow cedar, kiln dried yellow cedar, and you can see obviously on the side of the house it's yellow, but has already started to turn and eventually will be a silver color. All the trim on these houses is PVC trim because we're right on the water and we want to protect the trim from the salt water. And of course all the PVC trim gets painted the same color as the Marvin windows. In this case it was Van Dusen blue. On a construction site obviously there's always surprises and things that you don't expect, but most of what we do here is we try to anticipate those things and head them off before they happen. So there's a lot of challenges with building on the water. You have to drive piles before the job even starts. We had to rebuild the entire seawall, which was 400 lineal feet in the water. But those are all things that we knew were coming our way. You know, we have a good team together of our suppliers, our Riverhead Building, and all our subcontractors. So we spend a lot of time before we do any work making sure that there are no adverse surprises. So on the outside, which we're trying to get the outside completed before the weather turns on us, we just have some bluestone left to do, all the patios, and then we're moving inside. Riverhead's going to supply us with all our interior doors. We're doing Trustile interior doors, and our exterior doors are all coming through Riverhead from Upstate Door. Yeah, in the next month we're going to be completely moving inside, and then you're going to see the sheetrock and also all the molding, custom trim profiles that we're going to be working throughout the winter inside.